Do you want to cook something simple and quick? Don't worry, today I will show you how to make tasty dishes using only 3 ingredients. Yes, just 3 ingredients. These recipes are perfect when you don't have much time or many things in your kitchen. Let's begin. Number 1, peanut butter cookies. Now you need 3 ingredients: 1 cup peanut butter, 1 cup sugar, and 1 egg. There are some steps you should follow. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl, roll into small balls, and place them on a baking tray. Press them gently with a fork. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool and enjoy your delicious cookies. Number 2, banana pancakes. For this item, you need some ingredients: 2 bananas, 2 eggs, half teaspoon cinnamon, optional but still counts as 1. You should follow the steps. Mash the bananas in a bowl, add eggs and cinnamon, mix well, pour the batter into a hot non-stick pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. That's it, your healthy pancakes are ready. Number 3, cheesy pasta. For this item, you need some ingredients such like 1 cup pasta, 1 cup shredded cheese, 1 cup milk. Now there are some steps you should follow. Boil the pasta until soft. Drain the water. In the same pot, add milk and cheese. Stir until the cheese melts. Mix with pasta and enjoy your creamy cheesy pasta. Number 4, grilled cheese sandwich. There are some ingredients, so you should need 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese, 1 tablespoon butter. There are some steps you should follow. Butter one side of each bread slice. Place the cheese between the slices. Cook on a pan until both sides are golden and the cheese is melted. A crispy cheesy sandwich is ready. Number 5, fruit yogurt dessert. There are some ingredients so you should need: 1 cup yogurt, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon honey. Some steps you should follow: slice the banana and mix it with yogurt. Add honey on top. This is a sweet and healthy dessert you can eat anytime. Number 6, egg fried rice. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked rice, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon oil. Heat oil in a pan, add eggs and scramble them. Then add rice and mix well. Cook for a few minutes. You can also add salt or soy sauce if you like. Number 7, Nutella mug cake. Some ingredients you should need: 1/4 cup Nutella, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons flour. Mix all ingredients in a mug. Microwave for 1 minute. Your sweet mug cake is ready to eat. Cooking doesn't have to be hard. With just 3 ingredients, you can make tasty food in minutes. These recipes are fun, fast, and perfect for students, busy people, and anyone who loves easy cooking. That's it for today's video. Which 3 ingredient recipe will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy cooking ideas. See you in the next video.